Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video this is going to be my everyday makeup look that I create. So this is how I create my everyday makeup look, and I use only like very less products, I would say, especially when I go for work and all, because we aren't allowed to wear a lot of makeup. But then yes, it's definitely very good to look very presentable also. So I use very few products, and I'm going to quickly create this look now. Like, I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to create this look, which is the everyday makeup look, using only 5 products. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So the first one I use here is this one from Foxtale. Now this is their Foxtale Moisturiser, which is their Ceramide Super Cream Hydrating Moisturizer, which gives a 24-hour hydration and also evens out skin tone. And the best part about this one is it is suitable for all skin types. Now I am going to use this as my makeup base also, and normally you use a primer, but primer is something that I use when on occasions like festivals or something like that. But when I am creating an everyday makeup look, this is what I use under my makeup. So this is their Foxtale Ceramide Super Cream Moisturizer. Now if you are using this one, or if you would like to purchase this one, then you all can use my coupon code displayed here on the screen if you all are purchasing it from their website, or else if you are purchasing it from Amazon, you all can check the link in the description box. So yes, this was about the Foxtale Ceramide Super Cream Moisturizer. Now once we are done with the moisturizer, the next step that I use is using a concealer, and here I use this one from Insight Makeup Essentials. Now again, Insight makeup products are like one of my favorite products because they are very affordable and available as well. Now I have their foundation, I have their highlighter, I have their lipstick, and this one is their concealer in the shade 04. Now again, this is very lightweight, so when you apply it under your eyes or maybe any dark spots that you wish to cover, it really covers it very well, and it gives you a much needed glow on your skin. Also, it also helps you to like give a highlighted effect to your overall look. So this is the one which I use. This is a concealer, so I only use it on my areas which needs a little more attention, maybe like my dark spots, like on my under eyes or something, and I am done. So this is the concealer that I use. The next one I am using here is the foundation, but before that it is very important to use this technique, that is, you need to take a blender, and what I do is I take a makeup fixer. So all I do is I spray a little bit of it and wait for some time, so that it really helps me to blend my foundation very well. The foundation that I'm using here is this one, that is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Now this is in the shade 02. I don't remember the shade, but it is honey, I feel, honey or ivory. These are the two shades that I use mostly, and they really complement my skin very well. So this is the shade that I use, and it is very lightweight again, and gives you that much needed glow on your face. Like, it does not feel like that you're wearing any makeup at all. So this is about the foundation. The next step I have here is the blush. Now when it comes to blush, and when it's an everyday makeup look, it's always better to use a tint, I would suggest. And here the tint that I use is this one from Swiss Beauty. Now again, the Swiss Beauty tint is like one of my current favorite, I would say, and again very affordable. I had got it from Amazon actually. So this really gives you a highlighted glow on your face. All you got to do is like apply a little bit on your cheek and both the sides, and then just blend it upwards. So that is how you get the natural glow, a flushed glow. So this is about the cream tint, the lip and cheek tint, but I use it on the cheeks mostly. And the last part is definitely applying a lipstick, and here I apply this one, that is from Mars. Now this is in the shade 07 Plum, and it really complements my skin very well, I would say. Like, you see, I just love the shade, how it feels, and it gives you a bolder effect, but a simple effect, I would say. And yes, this is my final look, guys. So this is how I create my everyday makeup look. In case if you would like to check any of these products, all the links are tagged in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Also, if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Also, do follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID would be there in the description box below. So also, yes, till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.